Here we go. Oh shit, I have this on display.
The National Weather Service in Spokane has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for north-central Boundary County in the Panhandle of Idaho until 3 p.m. Pacific Daylight Time or 4 p.m. Mountain Daylight Time at 2:04 p.m. Pacific Daylight Time. National Weather Service Doppler radar indicated a severe thunderstorm capable of producing quarter-size hail. This storm was located near Port Hill, or 22 miles northwest of Bonners Ferry. This storm was nearly stationary. Other locations in the warning include but are not limited to Port Hill. This is a dangerous storm. If you are in its path, prepare immediately for damaging winds, destructive hail, and deadly cloud-to-ground lightning. People outside should move to a shelter, preferably inside a strong building, but away from windows. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 3 p.m. Pacific Daylight Time for the following county: Boundary County, Idaho. This is the weather radio station W.